Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the volume of the following composite shapes. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. A composite shape or a composite figure is that which is created with two or more basic shapes. If you look at the first example, we have two cuboids joined together as shown. We are to find the volume of the whole shape altogether. If I tag the first cuboid A and I tag the second one B, to find the volume, I have volume equals to, I'm going to find the volume of the first cuboid and add it to the volume of the second cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is, I have that as my length times width times height. So I have that on the other side. I have my length times width times height. That's the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid. Going back to my diagram, and the first cuboid A, I have my height as shown to be 6, so I have that as my h. I have my width to be 2 centimeters, I have that as w, and then to find my length, I have my length running from here to here. Looking at all the parallel sides, if I have the distance as shown to be 5 centimeters, I'm going to look at all the lines parallel to the line highlighted. I have from here to here to be 5 centimeters. I'm going to write that. This is also 5 centimeters. Therefore, the distance parallel to the line drawn earlier will also be 5 centimeters. Note that we've been given the total distance to be 8 centimeters. Therefore, to find the remaining length, I'm going to have the rest to be 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters because 8 minus 5 will give us 3. And if I add 3 and 5, that will give us the total length, 8 centimeters. Therefore, I've been able to find the length, width, and height of cuboid A. So putting that in my question, I have length to be 3 centimeters. I have 3 times the width. Width is 2 centimeters. And then I have my height to be 6 centimeters. Going back to the second cuboid, that's cuboid B, I have my, I'm going to take out all the highlight. I'm starting with my length. I have the remaining distance as shown to be 5 centimeters. So I have length to be 5. I have my width. Remember, if I look at all the parallel lines from the cuboid A, I have the width to be 2 centimeters. I'm going to highlight all the lines parallel to my width as shown. I have this width to be 2 centimeters. I have this width to be 2 centimeters. Therefore, this width will also be 2 centimeters, and this width will also be 2 centimeters. So I have that as 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. Therefore, for cuboid B, the width is equal to 2 centimeters, and the height has been given to be 2 centimeters. If I simplify, I have 3 times 2 times 6. 3 times 2, that was 6. 6 times 6, 36. My unit is centimeters, so I have that as centimeters cube because it's 3-dimensional. And then I have 5 times 2, that's 10. 10 times 2, 20. Also in centimeter cube. And if I add that together, I have the total volume for the composite figure shown in question 1 to be 36 plus 20, 56 centimeter cube. Let's look at the second example. My first step is to break down my shape into two recognizable 3D shape. If I look at the diagram given and I break the block as shown, then I'm going to have my first cuboid A and the second one B. The next step, I need to find all my dimensions. I know the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid is my length times my width times my height. And likewise for the second cuboid, I have my length times my width times my height. To find the value of each of the parameters, I start with cuboid A. To find the length, I've been given the total length to be 8 centimeters. I'm going to highlight that. However, if I go back to the diagram, if I go back to the picture and I break down the cuboid as shown, I need to find the length of the first cuboid and the length of the second cuboid. Looking at all the parallel sides, I have the distance of this edge to be 3 centimeters. Therefore, the parallel distance, I'm going to highlight all the lines parallel to that, giving us 3 centimeters. So I'm also going to have for cuboid B, this is 3 centimeters, and also this is 3 centimeters. Note that the total distance has been given as 8 centimeters. Therefore, to find the rest of the distance, I am going to have 8 minus 3, and that will give me 5 centimeters. 5 plus 3 will give me 8, so I'm done with finding the length of cuboid A. The height of cuboid A, as shown, is 6 centimeters. To find the width, I'm going to take out the highlight. To find the width, I start with the width of cuboid B. I'm going to highlight all the lines parallel to the width of cuboid B. All the lines highlighted that are parallel will have the same distance, 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters, I got that from here. 6 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Therefore, for cuboid A, the width will be 6 centimeters. I'm going to write, this is my length, this is my width, and I'm going to change that. That's my height. I have that as H. I have my width to be 6, and then my length to be 5. So slotting that back, I have length 5 times the width 6 times the height 6. For the second cuboid B, I have my length to be 3. I have my width to be 6, and then I have my height. I need to find my height. To find my height, I have the height of cuboid A to be 6 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is, part of the height parallel to my 6 centimeters is 4 centimeters. I need to find the remaining distance as shown. If I have that to be 4, then 6 minus 4 will give me 2 centimeters, because the total height should be 6 centimeters. 4 plus 2 is 6, so therefore I've been able to find the height of my second cuboid. So I'm going to write H here. Putting that back into my formula, I have length to be 3, my width to be 6, and my height is 2. 5 times 6, that's 30. 30 times 6 will give me 180. My unit is in centimeters, so that will be centimeters cube, plus my second cuboid that has dimensions 3 times 6 times 2 will give me 18 times 2, that's 36 centimeter cube. And if I add that together, my total volume will be 216 centimeters cube. Thanks for watching. Bye.